you're having an awesome day, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to hit the bell for notifications.
Gorgeous day.
Yes, sir.
What's up with you?
Well, I'm getting ready to load up some materials and run them down to one of the solar teams.
Oh, cool.
They're sending me the people that are getting the work done with material lists,
Okay.
and they're saying I need wire for this and that, and I'm going, dude, you got to give me sizes, and
Yeah.
you got to tell me exactly. Like they said,
I need something kind of blank. You know, that's like, well, if you need sex, that's okay, because you can understand.
these MC4 branch connectors. I just need to know the exact.
Hey, so what's the deal with the extra solar panels they left down there?
We're going to donate those to some people that can't afford to pay for them.
Okay.
Do you need solar?
No, we don't need it.
Okay.
We want to put one on our trailer, but do we need it? No.
We'll check this out. When he was leaving, I bought 21 panels from him.
Okay.
I want one for me, but I bought so many from him, they gave them to me for $40 each, since I just want what I paid.
Well, we do.
Well, if you want one, you might want to go faster rather than slower, because those ones leaning are paid for, but these ones haven't been sold yet. I should probably lean one more up and put my name on it, but $40 each.
What are they?
Take a look, man. They're 245 watts.
How much?
245 watts, 15 amps. So, yeah, come on over. Come on over and get them. Get them out of here. You want to?
Yeah. The wife's always right. She don't put me a restriction on what I want. She normally orders what I want.
You're winning this time?
Huh?
You're winning this time?
You know it well.
He
like
always
yesterday.
wins.
So, how hot was your rig yesterday?
It was all right. I keep everything open.
Yeah. Mine was all right. I kept everything closed and stayed at 82.
That's pretty good. You have air in there? Or what?
Yep.
No.
Did you insulate it?
No, it's got a heat pump in it.
It's insulated and it's got a split system.
Mini split?
So our batteries never got below 13.662.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, we was happy.
So you want these two.
Okay.
I'm going to put another one there for me.
Okay.
And
And
Dave,
we'll-
if you want the
I'll take
next
the
two.
last three, yeah. The last three, actually.
Okay.
So next time we travel this way, we'll
Or get
bring
someone
them
with a buggy.
or if somebody delivers them, you know, we'll even put in an extra $10 for delivery for the delivery guy.
Oh, yeah.
We're with the welding squad.
I could probably throw one in a couple of my trucks.
Oh, okay. Ours
You
is
may
actual
want
solar
to be
panels.
careful because I may need a trailer hitch welded to the back of my trailer.
Well,
And he
that's
can
all
do
part
that.
of it, you know. Ours are down there up ourselves with a
Oh,
button.
I've seen you.
Okay.
I've seen you.
All right, $10. Is that what it is?
Free.
Free.
Oh, might be one today.
That's fine.
We come here on Thursday and they said no check-in today, and we said fine. We're welders. You're not going to see us again. It's a long walk. World parts.
You big guy? Yeah, my little big dog.
Most of them are. He wants to be friends with everybody, and all the little dogs keep trying to bite him.
I know they like to have some.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're going to more turkey project. I've got one night like what we did to
Time's getting short. Gotta go. Catch you on the next one. Bye.
Thanks for being with us today. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember to hit the bell for notifications. See you soon. Bye.